Hello everyone! In today's tutorial, we're going to transform your Windows taskbar into something sleek and transparent. We'll achieve this with a simple extension. For those of you using an active Windows version, just head over to the link I've provided in the video description below. Click on the Install button and patiently wait for the translucent TB app to complete its installation. The duration may vary based on your download speed, so give it a few minutes. Once the download is finished, click on Open to run the app. Instantly, you'll notice that your taskbar is now beautifully transparent, free from any background color. Simply awesome! If you enjoy this customization, give it a try. Don't forget to like this video, and if you encounter any issues or have questions, drop them in the comments below. Let's make our desktops look amazing! Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tech tips and tricks.